Today we're going to look at how to run local AI inference right from your phone. All you need is a newer version of an iPhone and this app. So I think it's just crazy how far we've come because running a local AI inference on your computer was like super complicated. Like you can't do it on your phone. You need a computer, you need Python installed, you have to download transformers from Hugging Face, then you have to mess with tokenizers and all that. But right now you don't have to do any of it. You can do it with your phone and 0 line of coding. So some disclosure here. So I am the creator of this app, but it is a free app and I've tried to make it like super beginner friendly. So right now we have this introduction screen that will walk you step by step of how to get started with local inference right away. So yeah, let's begin. All right, so what is local AI? So how is it different from like cloud AI? So ChatGPT and Claude and Gemini and all that, they're cloud AIs. So which means that every time you send a message, they're gonna relay it to their server with like a whole rack of NVIDIA GPUs will process it. Then they're gonna send you the response. But they're also gonna keep track. They're gonna keep logs of what you send them. Like this is usually fine depending on the person and the task. So for example, if I'm doing this for school, if I'm researching on a topic that I'm making a poster for example, this is definitely fine. But if my work involves some confidential stuff from my company, for example, or personal stuff, but like a long list of private photos, you don't necessarily want to send them to OpenAI, for example. You want to keep those data private to you. And this is where local AI comes in. You can run AI inference directly on your hardware. So this will be a living AI on your phone that you can ask questions directly to without it sending it to some other server. And there are merits and demerits with cloud AI and with local AI. So there are certain tasks that you will want to do with local AI, and there are some tasks that you will want to do with cloud AI. So for example, if it's like solving super complicated math and coding problems, you'll probably want to use a cloud AI. But if it's just like for everyday chatting, summarization, or translation stuff, local AI can handle it pretty well at this point. So just like there is ChatGPT from OpenAI, there is Claude, there is Gemini. For local AI, you can choose your own model as well. So like there's a bunch of selection out there. You just have to download it to use it. So just as we spoke, the app has securely downloaded its first model. It's a Qwen 3 model. It's a Chinese model, but the data, everything, all the chat history, it stays on your phone without ever leaving your phone. So there's no concern on that front. And let's start chatting. So it's the familiar chat interface if you have used any AI app, and you can type anything to it. How about hi, who are you? And there you go. So that's your first local AI message from your phone.